What is up, everyone? Welcome back to our channel, Diary Nilangga. I'm John Paul, and today's video, we will talk about 5 tips on how to make our year successful. But before we proceed, I would like to thank you for watching this video. And to those who are subscribers of this channel, I would like to thank you so much. And if you're new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button as I will share something such as self-improvement, self-development that you will really love. Without further ado, let's start with tip number 1. Tip number 1, find your purpose. Have you already asked yourself before with the questions, why I'm here in this world? Why do I exist? It is really important for us to understand the purpose of our life. If we don't know what is our purpose, we are like a clip that was used like a pin or was used for anything or to push whatever is that or etc. Same thing as well with our life. If we use our life like a clip that was used to any other way that is not our purpose, we're making our life getting worse. But if we understand what is our purpose, we'll make our life getting better. Tip number 2, set your vision. After understanding what's our life purpose, we need to set our goals and set our dreams into reality. Doing that, it takes strategic planning and organizing the process. Everything will follow if we set our vision and know what we want to become and what we want to achieve before the end of the year. Let's say, for example, if you're a student, set your vision that I want to become a top student. If you're an employee, set your vision that I want to be promoted. And if you're like a business or if you're doing a business, set your vision that I want my business to grow and grow. And if you're like a YouTuber, set your vision that I want my subscribers to grow and get more subscribers before the end of the year. Setting your vision or setting our vision means we have something that we can look forward to. Tip number 3, start taking an action now and do not stop. The best time to take an action in our goals is now. Not tomorrow, not on the next day, not on next week, not on next year. Believe it or not, having a procrastination will give you a delay in achieving your goal. Let's say, for example, that you're a student and that you really wanted to be on top of class. And during the first grading or the first day, you're not giving your full best because you're thinking that, hey, there's tomorrow, or there's another grading, I will make it next time, I will pass my exam next time. Believe me or not, that will not gonna help you. Or if you're an employee and you're just doing your job, not giving your full best, you know what, if you really wanted to be promoted, the best thing or the best time to take an action for that goal is now, as in now. Like, for example, if you really wanted to start your business and start your YouTube channel, the best time to start is now. After doing the first step, which is taking an action now, please never ever stop. Do not stop until you're not able to hit your goal or achieve the vision that you really wanted to become, that you really wanted to achieve. Do not stop. If you feel burned out, if you feel that you're like burning up, so take time to rest. But then again, do not stop. Look forward to the vision that you set onto your year that, hey, I really wanted to become like this. I really wanted to become like this person. I really want to achieve this kind of, something that you're actually planning to get in your life. Tip number 4, manage your time and be productive. Time is the best treasure that we have, or the best investment that we can have actually when it comes to when it comes to hitting your goals in your life. Imagine we have 7 days in a week, we have 24 hours in a day, and we have 60 minutes in an hour, and every minute we have 60 seconds. You know what? Every seconds matter. So the ticking of the clock, everything is actually matters on it. So it's really important to manage our time and make our day productive. Have you already experienced like watching movies all day, surfing on the internet all day, doing nothing all day? Believe it or not, that will kill your goal. Always count your time and make sure that we become productive all day. I'm not saying that those things are really bad. However, if you're seeing yourself spending all your day doing those things, all your time doing those stops, friend, believe it or not, I think it's really time for us to wake up. to stop those things, to set something or to put our time into something that make our goals will be achieved. Tip number 5, pray for it. Last but not the least, making our year successful is to pray for it. We are only human and we have a lot of weaknesses in our life. Always remember or always remind ourselves that we need God in every action that we take, in every decision that we're actually making every day. You don't need to be a religious person. Act like a human being. That every moment we need God in our lives. And remember, all of your plans this year with God, nothing is impossible. So those are the 5 tips that I have for you that will gonna help as well to make our year successful. So let's do a review again, okay? Tip number 1, find your purpose. Tip number 2, set your vision. Tip number 3, start an action now and do not stop. And tip number 4, manage your time and be productive all day. And last but not the least, that tip number 5 is pray for it. I hope that this video helps you or gives you an idea on how to make our year successful if you're planning something in this year. So I hope that we can actually achieve those things with those tips or with the tips that I give you that will gonna help you to achieve those things. And if you have something or if there's anything that you wanted to say, please don't forget to put a comment below or put a message in the comment box, and I will love to read it, and I will respond on it as well. So today, where are we going to start? Do you know that managing your time and be productive all day is one of the great factors that will lead to your success? So on the next Saturday, I will share to you on how to manage our time or on how to become productive all day. So do not forget to hit the bell button so that you will get updated when I uploaded that video. Thank you so much guys for watching this video, and don't miss my previous videos right here. So you can actually click either this or either this. And I would like to shout out as well to Mr. Christian Bentosilia, one of my team leader or my supervisor when I'm working in Teletech. And also to Jasmine Asunto, my colleague in Concentrix, my current colleague here in Concentrix, and she's insisting me to give something or do some giveaway. And also to Mr. Janelle Fitalbero, one of my high school classmates. Enjoy watching these videos, and I hope you guys have a beautiful day and have a great life. So see you on the next Saturday for my next video. Goodbye!